Today's episode is called Bella's Science Lab.
Man, I can't believe my science lab looks great for me. My friends are gonna love it when they get there. They're going to look at all kinds of stuff in the lab, like observations, questions, or something like that, and I could also show them what science is all about. This'll be so fun!
Hey, Bella.
Oh, hey guys, you're just in time! You won't believe what I'm about to become! Well, we can see that you're geared up for science, like your coat and your goggles. Yes, I am, and I am becoming a scientist! And this is my first time on being one and started to make science!
Wow, good for you, Bella. We didn't know that you could be a scientist.
Well, this is my first time, Sponge, and I'll be learning a lot about science today.
Cool! And Bella, we can see that you have a house that you made by yourself. How did you do that?
Good question, Flashlight. This house is not just any house, it's my favorite science lab inside. It's got all kinds of stuff in there.
Wow, amazing! Bella, you never told us that you have a science lab.
Well, now you do, and you're going to learn about science too. It'll give you some observations, questions, magical, and of course, learning. Awesome! So, are you all ready to come inside and see what science is all about?
Yes, we are, Bella. This'll be so great.
Then let's go! Get ready before your very eyes. Behold, my science lab!
Wow, Bella, your lab is so amazing!
And we really like it when you did it by yourself. Thanks, guys! This is my very own special lab.
Cool!
And hey, I was wondering if you guys would like a tour of my lab. I'll give you 4 places I like to go to.
Sure, Bella, we would really like that. Yeah, that would be great.
Okay then. This room that I want to show you guys is my observation room. It's where I observe tiny things that I can't see, even though they're invisible.
Sounds interesting, huh?
Yes, it is that you have there. And the only way to look closely enough is my microscope.
What does the microscope do, Bella?
The microscope will help me see the objects since they're all that small. And see that paper over there? That's why I'm going to observe all the tiny objects that are inside. I'll show you what I mean. As you can see, these tiny dots are filled with many organisms. They're called quantum dots. That means they're extremely small. Wow, they look like tiny little ants. They sure do look like ants, Grenade. But they can also grow small like bacteria, yeast, and blood cells. It can also create small lenses to make them visible.
We see. That really makes sense because they're filled with tiny molecules.
Sure are, and there are a lot of tiny creatures as well.
We're interesting of that.
Glad you are. Okay guys, are you ready to move on to the next room in Science Lab?
Yes, we are, Bella. We cannot wait for the next one.
Then follow me. Whoa, what is that thing? That over there, Blair, is my plasma ball. The plasma ball is like an electrical gas spear that can shock you. When this ball shocks you, it can make your body and hair shock. Huh, that sounds interesting. Yeah, it is.
Hey Bella, can I test out that plasma ball?
Sure, Puffball, go ahead.
I know that ball will electric me, but here I go. Whoa, my hair is getting all spiky.
See what I mean? That plasma ball is a supercharged gas. Your touch has the power of energy that has a slight tingle.
I really do, didn't I?
When a plasma ball feels electric, you can feel a little tingle inside on you. We really like that. Now that you show me the plasma ball, it's time to move on to the animal room, which is right over there.
Ooh, I love animals. We cannot wait to meet them.
Well, come with me and I'll take you over to them. This room is my animal laboratory. It's where I investigate all the animals all around the world. As you can see, there is a dinosaur, a frog, and a koala that come from many places. The dinosaur comes from the prehistoric times, the frog lives in a pond, and the koala lives where it is a lot of leaves. We see, but how come the other animals have not arrived yet? Well, they might be coming late, so I decided to bring these 3 animals instead.
Hey Bella, haven't you heard that many animals in the world have homes to each other? You know, they could have a lot of children and parents when they grew up.
I think you have a point there, Sponge. Some homes are like nests, burrows, hives, and dens for protection and shelter. And some are not strong for homes are twigs, leaves, straw, sticks, etc., which causes the house to be destroyed.
Oh no, we sure hope that the animals will find a place for them to live.
Yeah, they sure will. But anyways, now that I show you the animals, it's time to visit the final part of the science lab.
And what is that, Bella?
It's right over there. Behold, guys, my chemistry room. This is where I mix lots of chemicals and like to study them. I could also mix them with many colors too. Do you want to see how I did?
Yes, Bella, we can't wait to see you do that.
Alright, and I hope you're gonna be surprised after this. Okay guys, watch what happens as I put this blue chemical to the purple one. Thanks guys, you're too kind. Whenever I want to mix chemicals, I can do that anytime.
Good for you, Bella. Everything in the science lab is super important.
Yeah, it is.
Hey, Bella, I have a scientific question.
What's your question, Bone?
What do you think that science lab makes it much more special? Or why does it always has to be scientific?
Well, that's the question that you and your friends must answer. What makes science so special? Bella, you sure are a smart scientist.
Yeah, and very intelligent.
Something else that makes it special is what makes it even more intelligent and also very smart. It does? Yup. And I also like to thank you guys for coming over to the science lab with me.
You're welcome, Bella. It's great of your science skills. Agreed. And maybe one day you'll be a great scientist.
Well, I don't have to wait if I want to grow up to become a scientist. I can explore and make discoveries all around me, right now.
Great! Good for you!
And you know, all that doing science stuff is making me hungry. I could take a break from science before I could play and eat if I want to.
We could go to the grocery store. There are a lot of snacks there.
I'm really in a mood to eat snacks. I'll take you guys back upstairs so we can go.
All right, Bella, let's go.